For decades, a persistent myth has circulated that humans only use a mere 10% of their brain. This captivating idea suggests a vast, untapped potential, hinting at dormant superpowers waiting to be unleashed. But what if we told you that this popular notion is, in fact, completely false? The truth is, we utilize virtually all of our brain, though not all regions are active simultaneously. Think of your brain not as a single light switch, but as a complex orchestra. Different sections play their part at different times, creating a harmonious and functional whole. Even during sleep, your brain remains incredibly active, consolidating memories and processing information. Neuroimaging techniques like fMRI and PET scans confirm that no brain area is entirely dormant. Every part has a purpose, contributing to our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Despite making up only 2% of our body weight, the brain consumes a staggering 20% of our body's energy. This immense energy demand underscores the critical importance of all its regions. Our brain is also incredibly adaptable, a phenomenon known as brain plasticity. It constantly reorganizes itself by forming new neural connections, adapting to new experiences and learning. Learning a new skill or acquiring knowledge literally alters the physical structure of your brain. Now let's indulge in some fun, hypothetical, what-if scenarios. What if we could truly use 100% of our brain simultaneously? Imagine cognitive superpowers beyond our wildest dreams. Perhaps instantaneous recall of every memory, every fact, every piece of information ever encountered. Or the ability to process complex data at speeds currently unimaginable. Brain-computer interfaces could become extensions of our very consciousness. Imagine controlling technology with pure thought, or even sharing thoughts directly with others. Nootropics, or smart drugs, might evolve to unlock unprecedented levels of focus and mental clarity. We could achieve super learning, integrating knowledge, emotion, and curiosity into a seamless, accelerated process. Our senses could be augmented, allowing us to perceive the world in entirely new ways. Perhaps seeing infrared, hearing ultrasonic frequencies, or even sensing magnetic fields. These abilities could stem from genetic variations or advanced technological enhancements. While these are fascinating hypotheticals, let's return to the real science of improving brain function. Physical activity is a powerful tool for cognitive health. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new brain cells and connections. A balanced diet, rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, fuels your brain. Mentally stimulating activities, like puzzles or learning a new language, keep your brain sharp. Learning techniques such as active recall and spaced repetition can significantly boost memory. The Pomodoro technique, with its focused work intervals, enhances concentration. Stress management through mindfulness and meditation protects your cognitive health. Social connections are also vital, fostering emotional well-being and cognitive engagement. Beware of multitasking. It's often inefficient due to constant task switching. Instead, focus on one task at a time for optimal brain performance. Our brain also uses cognitive Legos, reusing cognitive components for rapid learning. This incredible efficiency allows us to adapt and learn new things with surprising speed. So, while the 10% brain myth is debunked, the true potential of our brain is far more fascinating. It's not about unlocking a hidden percentage, but about nurturing and optimizing what we already have. Embrace brain-healthy habits, challenge yourself mentally, and stay curious. Appreciate the full, real potential of your incredible brain.